Please, iqoption, don't delete my account. I know it's against the law, against your policy to share my balance. So, all right, let me open first my position. So this one is going up 100%. This one is 100% going up. So I know that I'm doing something wrong here. I should not share my balance, but I just want to share with my subscribers that trading is profitable. Yeah, so as you can see here, to protect this movement of the market, this candle, I'm using my own strategy. The strategy is explained in the description below. There is a course where I will teach you everything I learned over the years, everything about my strategy, the indicators that I use here. As you can see, I'm using the parabolic SAR, Bollinger Bands here, RSI. I teach you also how I use MACD. So the way, all right, for $130. So the way I use these indicators, MACD, Bollinger Bands, RSI, parabolic SAR, I use them with my own way. I don't use them like everybody use them. Also, I have my chat patterns. The rules from my strategy are important. To master the strategy, you need to understand the rules, and you need to master the rules. All right. I use some resistance levels, some support levels. Yeah, there's some rules, but as you can see here, yep. So this is how I predict the movement of the market. In this case, yeah, just predicted I'm making $430. Yep, $430. Remember, this is by investing $500. Sorry, $500. Also this one. So I want to take profit from this downtrend. As you can see, there is a downtrend here. Wait a minute. This downtrend, I want to take profit. So this one is also going down. So this is a red candle. So once I know the colors of the candles, I know the exact colors of the next 8 candles or 10 candles. In this case, I can open trades. I can trade perfectly. All right, so I can open trades and trade perfectly. So as you can see, look, this is, so this is clear. I knew this one. Yep. Yes, so I will predict the color of the next candle. So by the way, everything I'm using here is explained in the course in the description below. I know it's looking complicated, but once you master the strategy, you will understand. So first, please, there's some rules with trading. If you want to start trading, simply you need to follow 4 rules. The first one, before trading, you need to have a good strategy. This good strategy, you need to test it on demo account. With time, you need to test it with demo account. So first, you need a good strategy that you already tested. Second, you will be disciplined and respect the rules of the strategy no matter what's happened. No matter what's happening, you need to respect the rules of the strategy. The third thing is never ever use emotions. So yeah, $430. So let me open this trade and I'm coming back to you. All right. So never ever use emotions. All right, never ever use emotions, no matter what happens. Sorry. And the fourth thing is never panic. Be careful. Once you panic, you will lose. Oh, sorry, almost got some cold over here. So never panic. Once you panic, you will lose your money. All right. So what you see in here, these candles, this one, the green ones, this is people losing money. What's making the market move is people losing money. Those forex traders, those binary option traders, they lose money. And once they lose money, once they are losing money, there are other people who are making money. All right, there's some other people making money, so this one is going up. So those who are losing money is those who didn't apply one of the rules. Either they panicked, they thought that the market is going down, they're going to lose more, or they didn't respect the rules of their strategy, or they didn't have a strategy. So I want you to avoid doing these things. All right. And remember, guys, I'm just sharing with you this trading session for entertainment purposes only. This is not financial advice. This session is shared with you for entertainment. I'm not advising you to do anything. Trading is risky. If you don't have a good strategy, you will lose your money. If you are not the best or are not good with your strategy, trust me, you are going to lose your money. And I'm sharing these sessions only. This is a simulation for you to tell you that it is possible to be successful with trading on iqoption, on pocket option, on forex, on Binance, on crypto, whatever you are trading. It could be profitable. You can make money, but you need a good strategy. This is not guaranteed. What I'm doing here is not guaranteed. I'm not telling you that you will make this money. This is not get rich fast scheme. This is a yes of $430 in less than 1 minute. Amazing, right? So from the beginning of this video, so in less than 7 minutes, I already made $2,000 or $3,000, I guess, 2,000, I guess, something like $2,000, and I still having more. Yeah, I still have more trades to open. All right. Yep. This one is going down. Sorry. This one is also going down. So yeah. Look. Red, red, red. Great, right? So once you master a good strategy and you know what are you doing, you are sure, you trust it, you don't use emotion, then you can be profitable. Before that, if you are gambling, if you don't have a good strategy, you will lose sooner or later. Perhaps you will make some money. You will make some money like this one for short term, but later you will lose your money. So yeah, as you can see, I'm trading on binary option Euro USD. Yeah, for $130. Okay. Sorry. All right, so let's go up. I know what's happening here. This one is going up. This one is going up. So I predicted this, and this one. I'm almost 100% sure this one is going up. Great. Amazing. All right. I still have 18 seconds. All right, $430. I hope that iqoption will not stop or block my account because I'm sharing my great $430. Great. Let's go. Also, this one is also going up. Oh, sorry, this one is going down. So even with the green candle, I'm going to make a win. Just follow. Once you understand and you master my strategy, you will understand why I'm choosing these decisions, why I'm opening these trades. So yeah, as you can see, I'm investing. The amount is $500. As you can see, the total investment $500. If I'm winning, I'm making $430. That's 86%. So 86% from $500. If I'm losing everything. All right. This is the estimated time. So every 1 minute I make $430. Every 1 minute, if my prediction is always right. Yeah. Again, I don't know. Perhaps I have more. Yeah, I have. Perhaps I have more. Yeah, predictions. All right. And please, guys, don't depend on anybody else. Depend on yourself. If you want to trade, you need to know that you are going to need yourself. That's it. Don't listen to those who are trying to sell you signals. Don't listen to those who are trying to become your mentors, asking you to buy to pay them so they can become your mentors. Yeah. Let's see here what's happening here. Oh, I gotta stop. Bye.